So that's somewhat annoying. I'm trying to connect my microphones to the camera today and they aren't working. It was working this morning when I was testing it. Now that I need it to actually turn on, it won't actually work. So sorry about that, guys. It took me forever to try to figure out this whole mic thing. If you connect it to the DJI camera, you can only run one mic, so you can't run two mics, and that's the problem that I was having. Because I've got people here today, I was like, oh, why not just play around with the second? Why not play around with the second mic? But what a waste of time. But now I understand. So in today's video, we won't be actually case swapping this car. What we'll be doing is we're just swapping out the drive shafts. We're still doing the roadworthy setup thing. So it's got blown drive shafts on both sides, so we'll be yanking those out. So yesterday I managed to get under it and hose it down completely, and hopefully I've removed most of the gunk underneath it to get it nice and clean for us to work with. So let's just see how that goes, and we'll wait for, I think Brent, the owner of the car, will eventually come out. He's being held ransom with my daughter playing Pokemon. So bad luck, mate.
Where are you?
Playing with Moon and Buster.
I think you're on babysitting duties today, mate.
V will be coming here anyway, it's okay.
Come on.
I wouldn't want to get on the bad side of her either. Alright, so one of the things that I hate doing is cracking open drive shaft bolts on cars that probably haven't had it done in a really long time. So I'm going to give it a crack and see if it comes off. Watch your ears. Nope. So there's only so many things I can do. Unfortunately, before I'd have to go out and buy the big boy Ugga gun. So mine's probably punching out 900 Newton meters max, and the other one would be punching out close to like 2000. So let's just see if we turn this to number 3 and get it off. Maybe we should probably put some spray on it or something and just let it soak for like a couple minutes. I'm tired from just doing that. So, alright, let me see. The other side came off effortless after we put some WD-40 on it, so. It's off. There we go. So I've got a joke. How many guys does it take to remove a ball joint?
Hello. No, it's coming.
Alright. That's what they all say. And then they make you go for another 30 minutes. So that's most of the drive shaft out. Yeah. That's still in there. So, ew. I have to pop that out. And pop this out. That's how bad it was. Now they're putting on the ball joint remover. You guys figure it? Did you put the nut on?
I'm trying to put it on first, but it's...
Here, pass me the ball joint remover. So, the reason why we're putting on that nut is because if you look there, Brent,
Yeah.
see how there's that little spike there that keeps it in place, if that pushes hard enough against the bolt, it starts to expand the bottom of the bolt. And then because it's expanding the bottom of the bolt, the nut won't actually ever come off, or the nut won't ever go on properly. So I've done that a few times. So.
Come on.
Doesn't wanna go.
Use your back muscles, bro.
I'm sweating already.
Ah, see? When I tell people I'm sweating, people laugh.
Come on.
Oh, you're doing it the wrong way. No, I'm kidding.
You got to pull.
I'm not fucking pulling now.
Oh, come on.
Come on, Brent.
Hold on. My back hurts. There's no fucking pulling!
Ah.
It's moving. Come on.
Okay, this is the one. This is the one.
You can hold on to the... No, use one hand to hold on. And hold on to the rotor. One hand goes on the rotor. Yeah, and then push and pull.
It's not coming off. I'm slipping.
Look, I can probably make it easier for them, but just getting a massive breaker bar on it. But there we go. Something broke,
What the hell?
but I think that's off. So loosen it, loosen it, loosen it. But I'm pretty sure something broke. We'll find out what broke. I think it's because Brent was putting too much force into that. What's that piece of metal over there on the right? Yeah, it broke. Broke it. Unbelievable.
Oh, it's this.
What a machine.
Uh-oh. I gotta buy you a breaker bar.
Breaker.
I got a breaker bar. Ball joint.
Oh, there we go. Mike. So this is an old breaker bar that I've got, that I broke, snapped it off. I'm gonna put this on the grinder and then make a pry bar, because I don't have a pry bar. Check that out, it worked great. So, got myself a pry bar. It's always good to double check them to make sure what you've ordered is the exact same part that you need for the car. Just check to see if the splines are the same width, because you don't want to be going through all this drama. Oh, that's good. The same with this, double checking this is the same size as that, because you don't want to go through all this drama just to have it not fit. So, alright, so one side's on already. I'll let you guess which one. The sides buttoned up, but we also discovered that his steering rack boot needs replacing. So, oh no, that one's not a hard one to fix. So it's just a run out to one of those stores. I won't mention any because I don't want to favour anyone. I want everyone to have a fighting chance for me to promote them. Super cheap order. I wish I had people to work on cars with when I was younger, especially when I was doing this for the first time, because it sucked. It sucked. Great learning curve, but it would have been nicer if someone was there to be like, hey, maybe you should try this. This is a little bit easier if you do this. This is a hack, or this is not a hack.
Again.
Why?
Because now this part doesn't go into the fork.
No, you don't have to pull it out. You should be able to get it in.
Unless I squish it in.
you angle it. So you get Brett to pull the hub one way, pull it out and out one way, and then you turn the head of it, and then he slides it in.
Got it.
See, like simple things like that. I just wish someone told me. But working by yourself is a lot harder. These two have each other moving forward to work on cars with, so hopefully it's a long-lasting tradition. I'm just getting too old for this, but I love it. I absolutely love it. Also, I received a express delivery today, so we'll see what we do with that. But we've received it, so my vent yesterday about priority shipping and stuff like that, it's still valid because I ordered it on Friday. And even if I ordered it too late and you processed it on Monday, it should have arrived on Tuesday. But
Oh, my knee.
I get it. I do get it. People are busy. But this whole battery situation, no excuses, because I've waited like nearly a month. I ordered it since the 11th. I waited 21 days. 21 days for them not even to finish the battery. Not even to get it tested or even on the plane already. You don't know how to drive manual?
A little bit.
Alright, you'll figure this out. Alright. So I just found out Brent doesn't know how to drive manual, so he's got a manual car. Seems fine. Seems alright to me. Yeah, putting on that low control arm on the passenger side, I think when they were doing it, they probably damaged the bolt. So we had to get a little creative on fixing that before we replace the ball joint. So should be okay now until someone meets that ball joint. But that definitely needs to be changed soon. I like putting people in tough situations. So Mr. I don't know how to drive manual here. It's going to get up some ramps. Stop. Oh, won't clear his car. Joke's on me. It's his first time servicing the car.
Let's go.
Like I said, this grip is way too high. You should see one bolt just out of nowhere underneath your motor. And that's what we call your oil pan. What thing?
This thing.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Hey, also make sure you put the bucket there.
Maybe I should take off this hoodie. Hold on, let me take off this hoodie. Okay. Holy shit, hold on. It is on tight. Can't even pull it off. Pull it down. It's not moving.
Remember, you gotta be quick. Hey, you focus on that, I'll get you a rag. Here, wipe yourself off. You're bleeding. Movie reference.
That's it.
Alright, so once it starts dropping down, pull the tray a little bit further back. Shit, that's black.
He said he got it serviced, but nah.
Nah, I probably did. But like I said, after you thrash it, VTEC it, the way you guys probably drive, doesn't take long. Yeah, start pulling it back. So before, I ate way too much pineapple. And now my tongue's like all tingly. So I'm trying to balance it now with some chocolate. So it's got some new Mugen pedals. So we're gonna have to try to figure that out. It's been a while since I've done pedals, but I'm pretty sure we have to take off the top covers and drill them from memory. So I'm pretty sure all these rubbers come off like so. Then we're going to drill them, so fun times. And a few finger cramps later, we have these installed. So just went through, fixed up a few things for Brent. Getting to clean it down. Had a mishap with the coolant, spilled it everywhere. My bad. But we were having a burping noise, and then we found out that this is coming from the, I don't know what that thing is called. I think it's the charcoal oil something. This is behind the block underneath the manifold. So that was just fed into a tube for no apparent reason. I'm not too sure why, but we plumped it back up so there's no more burping noises. So I think that's it for his car. Pedals are on. Mum's just asking him what else he wants to do to his car, and then we can get onto it. So all in all, productive day. Alright. This is essentially the new TPS that we've got. So we'll be putting that into the car tomorrow, and hopefully no more issues. To be honest, I wish it was a little bit prettier. I wish it was purple, but that's for tomorrow.